Hello everyone, let's unbox my new iPhone 13 Pro. I got mine in Sierra Blue and it is gorgeous. Can't wait, let's get into it. There is no plastic in the packaging because Apple cares about the environment. There she is, absolutely beautiful. Apple doesn't include a charger in the box anymore, but the sticker is still here. Let's remove the screen protector. Oh yeah, that's nice. The camera bump gets bigger and bigger every year. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. The camera lenses are bigger than last year's, and that's important to me. Alright, let's switch it on and see what happens. Size difference between the Pro and Pro Max. You can see the difference in color between the two models. Before putting the phone to use, let's install a protective case. You can find the link in the description. Please support the channel by subscribing. Assembling the case was very easy due to the soft materials. And now the phone is ready for action.